In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in Pipedrive. Deleting emails might sound simple, but doing it correctly helps keep your inbox organized and makes it easier to focus on what actually matters, like active deals and important conversations. I'll walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along in your own Pipedrive account. First, start by opening Pipedrive and looking at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a series of icons for different areas of the platform, such as deals, activities, and so on. What you're looking for is the mail icon. This is usually represented by an envelope, and it takes you straight to your Pipedrive inbox. Go ahead and click on that mail icon to open your email view. Once your inbox is open, you'll see a list of emails similar to what you'd see in other email tools. To delete emails, you first need to select them. On the left side of each email, you should see a small checkbox. Move your cursor over to the email or emails you want to remove, and click the checkbox next to each one. You can select a single email if you just want to clean up something specific, or select multiple emails at once if you're doing a bigger cleanup. Take a moment to double-check what you're selecting so you don't accidentally delete something important. After you've selected the emails you want to delete, look for the delete icon. This is typically shown as a small trash can, usually near the top of the inbox area once items are selected. When you see that trash can icon, click it to start the deletion process. At this point, Pipedrive will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the selected emails. This confirmation step is there to prevent mistakes, especially when you've selected several messages at once. Read the confirmation message carefully, make sure the action is what you intend, and then click to confirm. Once you confirm, the selected emails will be removed from your inbox. Depending on your Pipedrive setup, they may go to a trash or be permanently deleted, so it's always a good idea to be intentional about what you remove. And that's all there is to it. Open the mail section, select your emails, click the trash can icon, and confirm the deletion.